how to delete Dropbox files, photos and folders. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Dropbox application on your device and make sure to log in with your account. After logging in, you have to switch to the files option, which is next to the home in the bottom left. And here you'll be able to see all of your files, folders and photos that you have uploaded. So in order to delete, you have to simply select the files, photos or folder that you want to delete. And you'll be able to see the three dotted vertical line in the right upper corner, so tap on that. And you have to scroll a little bit and you'll be able to see the delete option. You have to simply tap on delete and your selected files, folders or photos will be deleted. If you have multiple folders to delete, then you can also tap and hold each of them, and you have to tap on the three dotted vertical line in the right upper corner, and from over here you have to go for delete option and go for delete. And after doing that, your selected files, folders and photos will be deleted. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.